First of all, to download Google's Antigravity, you need to go to this website called antigravity.google, where you can get the default option to download for your operating system. So if you go to this website called antigravity.google, you'll be welcome with this minimalist website where you can get option for downloading to your operating system. But if you want to download for a different operating system, like you have a different system of Linux, Mac or Windows, you can go to this download option. First, the homepage download option will show you the download for your default operating system from where you are accessing the website. And if you want to download for a different operating system, then you can go to this download button and you have the options to download for your own operating system, Mac, Windows and Linux. So that is where you can download this Antigravity from. Once you download and install the system or the software, you open the Google Antigravity, you'll be greeted with a blank slate, something like this. And the very first time if you open Antigravity, you will be prompted to log into your Google account. So log into your Google account, simple Google Authentication. And once you're logged in, you have this window, and you may have different workspaces here shown. You can browse more different workspaces. These are the things that you get when you use Antigravity and go on using Antigravity. These workspaces or the history workspaces will come over here, but very first time if you're starting Antigravity, you won't get anything like this over here. Next, we can do work in our local folder in Antigravity. You need to select a folder to work with where you can use this Antigravity system to work with your folder. So let me show you my desktop. So you can see my desktop is so much of cluttered. What I'll do is I'll just go ahead and clutter free my desktop. How do I do it? In doing so, what I will do is I will keep this folder intact, my desktop files, PPTs intact, desktop organize intact, articles, residues and journals all are intact, and all other files which are scattered, I want those files to be there in a new folder. So I'll start Antigravity, I'll open a folder, I'll open the desktop folder because I want to organize the desktop folder. Open it. So I have given it access to my desktop folder. Now what I'll do is simply I'll use this time Gemini 3 Flash, not the Opus model, and I will use the microphone to talk to the system. Hey, I just want to have my desktop folder organized. Keep the existing folders inside the desktop folder intact, but place all the different files which are scattered with of different file types into another new folder called miscellaneous files inside the desktop folder. So move all the files in the desktop folder into the newly created miscellaneous folder. So now I have talked to the system, and if I send it to you, it is accessing my audio file. It is analyzed. It has thought for 3 seconds and it is analyzed the desktop file. Now it is analyzing the audio, investigating the audio, and then it will work on the transcript. Now it is analyzing my different files and folders based on the audio. Okay, so once you talk to the system, it is doing in a different way. It has got the audio file. Now it has first transcribed that audio file, I think, and then it is analyzing my audio and it is getting my instruction and going ahead with analyzing all the different files and folders inside the desktop folder that I have asked it to clean or organize. All right, so it is taking a little bit more time in this route by going through the audio file system. I thought it will work as a normal assistant where you can talk to and it automatically transcribes and does the job. Now it is terminated due to some error. So it has got some errors, it shows some bugs. So the workflow that I have followed is not working right now. So I'll just dismiss it. I am not going to do with the audio type audio file thing. What I'll do is I want you to organize the desktop folder, keep the folders intact, keep the existing folders intact, move all the files into a new folder called MISC, short for miscellaneous. Now hit enter. Now I have given it a prompt. Now when you see that it is not getting the good response due to some error, it may be due to some model restrictions, it may be due to some other stuff. So I'll go ahead and change the model, use Cloth Sonnet 4.6 and then retry. Gemini Flash, sometimes your model may not work. So in that case, you can select a different model to continue with your work. That is one of the coolest part of this agentic system, that you're not stuck with a single model for your particular workflow. It will go ahead, it can switch to a different model, but in other chatbots or anything, so it starts with a fresh chat. So here it is saying that I'll create a miscellaneous folder on the desktop and move all those loose files into that folder. Now you have seen that my desktop is already organized. I have shown you. Now you see my desktop, it is organized. Earlier I have shown you that my desktop was very cluttered. Now it is organized, my desktop. So you see the power of this system. So it is working with my desktop and it does a very good job. Now this GitHub desktop is an application, that is why it is not moving this application to a folder. Now you see this is the newly created folder MISC as I asked it to do. All right, now you can see the magic of this system, right? So you can understand the power. You can understand the power. The thing is that with power you need to be responsible as well, because this can do a lot of things with your local machine, local folders. Sometimes there may be accidents that can happen. You need to be careful while giving it permission so that you do not lose your uh, important files in the process. So while using this system, you need to be careful while giving it permission. All right, so this is it for today. It is a pretty long video. If you have found some value in this video, consider subscribing to my channel. It will be of great help. Also, like this video and share with your friends. Thank you very much.